Now we'll discuss sums based on special quadrilaterals. So first of all we'll discuss sums based on parallelograms. So we have to recall their properties also. First, ABCD is a parallelogram and we have to find the values of these unknown angles. See, we know that in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. The property of parallelogram is this. So the opposite angles are B and D. It means angle B is equals to angle D. Reason, opposite angles are equal. So B and D both are equal. B is 100 degrees. It means D is also 100 degrees. So Y is 100 degrees. See, we got this angle 100 degrees. Next, we know that the sum of adjacent angles, the meaning of adjacent angle is what here? A and B, these both are adjacent angle, one after the other. D and A, they both are adjacent angles. So now we have to find the value of Z. We know that angle A plus angle B is 180 degrees. Why? Because sum of adjacent angle is 180 degrees. So B and A is Z and B is 100 is equals to 180 degrees. We will take 100 on that side. So 180 minus 100. So the value of Z is what? 80 degrees. This is our 80 degrees. Next, A and C. These both are opposite angles. So A is 80 degrees. It means C will also 80 degrees because the opposite angles are equal. Now next sum. See, ABCD is a parallelogram. So we have to find the value of this X and this Y. We know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. It means AB is equals to CD. AB is equals to CD because opposite sides are equal. Next, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So AB is what? 3y minus 1 and CD is 26. So we'll take 1 on that side. 3y is equals to 26 plus 1, 27. 27 by 3 and the answer is 9. Next, again AD is equals to CB because opposite sides are equal. So AD is what? 3x and CB is 18. So we'll take it here and the answer is 6. So the value of y is 9 and the value of x is 6. Now we'll discuss this sum. A, B, C and D. And these diagonals are bisecting each other at point O. Now we have to find the value of this unknown angle Y and this unknown angle X. So we know that these diagonals are bisecting each other. So this angle and this angle both will be equals to each other because of vertically opposite angles. It means this is 90 degrees angle. So angle X is equals to 90 degrees. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. See, again I am repeating. This X will be equals to this one because of vertically opposite angles. Now we have to find the value of Y. See, in this triangle BOC, in triangle BOC, we know that the sum of all the angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. It means angle X plus angle Y plus this 30 degree is equals to 180 degrees. Reason, angle sum property. So we know that angle X is 90 degrees. This is 30 is equals to 180 degrees. 90 plus 30 is 120 degrees plus angle Y is 180 degrees. we'll take 120 on that side. So y is equals to 180 minus 120 degrees, and its measure will be 60 degree. So the measure of x is 90 and the measure of y is 60 degrees.